Hey guys, in this video I want to be giving you my CheckMyTrip app review. Is it accurate and worth using? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so CheckMyTrip is a travel itinerary management app created by Amadeus, designed to centralize all your trip details from flights and hotel bookings to transfers and activities in one place. It supports automatic imports via email forwarding or manual entry, and one of the standout strengths is how easily it consolidates bookings from different airlines and travel providers into a single clean timeline. So when the app really shines is with its real-time notifications. Many users report that CheckMyTrip often sends alerts about delays, gate changes, or check-in reminders even before the airline's official app does. It also allows offline access, meaning you can view your itinerary even when you're in transit or without Wi-Fi, something essential when traveling abroad, as we all know. However, the app isn't perfect. Some users complain about inaccurate or outdated flight information, such as incorrect status updates or missing segments from multi-leg journeys. Email forwarding doesn't always work reliably, especially with certain booking formats, which forces manual corrections. Another recurring issue is customer support, or rather the lack of it. Many users mention that getting help for syncing problems or missing data is difficult, if not impossible. There are also complaints about recent updates introducing bugs or cluttering the interface with ads and upsells for extras like lounges or travel insurance. Now, this makes the experience feels less professional than some alternatives. So, is CheckMyTrip accurate and worth using? Yes, but only as a secondary tool. It's excellent for having a quick snapshot of your travel plans in one place, but it shouldn't be your sole source of truth. Always double check critical information such as last minute gate changes or cancellations directly with the airlines or through their official app or website.